Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, I will talk about ticker symbol SNDL, which is for Sundial growers. I have been covering this particular stock for a long time. We started the journey around 80 or 90 cent. Then we went all the way to $4. Then the share price is coming down. Then we had the earning, and I have been covering this stock for many videos. So if you love this company, then definitely this is the place where you can follow the share price, support, resistance, and news. So in this particular video, I will talk about the price action because there are some good news that came yesterday. Also some other news about possible public offering, which could impact the share price. So I think it is very important for you to know the support and resistance and at what point the share price can come down, so that you can like grab some here and ride the wave and get some quick money, right? That's the main focus. Like, we want to make some money. This is why we are investing. So stay till the very end, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. I will come back to the chart later. Let's see a news here which came on March 24th, which is yesterday. We had a very bad day yesterday, a red day, and I don't know whether you have captured this news, yes or no, I don't know, but let's go through the news. New York lawmakers, governor agree on recreational cannabis legislation bill. New York is poised to legalize a nearly $2.5 billion a year recreational cannabis market after legislative leaders on Wednesday agreed on the program's framework with governor. Retail sales could begin as soon as a year after the legislation is enacted. The legislation bill is expected to be considered as soon as next week by the state legislature, according to multiple media reports, and the governor would be expected to sign the bill once it passes. So maybe by next week we will hear some news, and whenever it will be passed, then we might see some rally for cannabis stock. And when I say cannabis, it would be ACB, TLRY, and definitely SNDL. So that's the good news. The other news I said, like, which can impact, because as I mentioned, like the public share offering. So let's go to the news before we talk about the price action. So from the latest earning, we already know Sundial is debt free and they have a cash balance of 700 million. So they are debt free, 700 million. So we already thought they have a lot of money. They can make other deals. They can acquire some company, or they can be acquired by someone else. But what happened, and another news came about some more public offering, right? So if you see the news here on March 22nd, SNDL stock, one big reason Sundial growers is plummeting today, and it says that about a raise up to 80 million, and this is wrong. It should not be 80 million, it should be 800 million. So it should be 800 million, and if you're still not here, let's go to the actual site which is like the SEC filing, which this is the authentic source, right? So you see 800 million. So the company already is 700 million cash. They are debt free, and they have also filed for a public offering for up to $800 million. That's a lot. So it does not say when they will offer, at what price they will offer, but this is a shelf offering that anytime they want, they can. Now you can think this in two ways. If you're a long-term investor, definitely if the company is raising some money and if they use the money for company growth, definitely this is good. They are debt free, they have 700, and if they get another 800 million, they can do a lot of things, right? A lot of things. At the same time, whenever the public share offering happens, what happens? The share price comes down. Again, if you're a long-term investor, you can grab more share, right? So you can grab more share and you can average down. On the other hand, if we look at the price chart, it has been beaten down massively. So at low price and such a volatile market, I'm not sure whether SNDL they will come up with the offering at this point because the price is already very low, and if they offer, then the price might go even lower. Maybe they will wait for some time so the share price bounce back and goes to a higher price, and then they can offer. So many things can happen. I can't tell when, at what price it will be offered, but keep that in mind. If you are already holding the stock, then you might get the opportunity for some deep buying, or if you have sold and not yet into the stock, maybe you can wait till the watch the price action, and whenever there is any kind of offering and the share price comes down, you can grab. So now let's look at the chart. So first of all, the chart looks good in terms of it went all the way to $4, then it's coming down. So definitely if you're holding, we're not happy. But what's happening? This is the most important part, right? So we went up, then we are coming down. The market is very bad, and we had last 3 red days, and today like we came all the way around 1.1, around this area, right? Around this area, you see this area is a very strong support. We bounced from this support few times. So 1.1, I think we came a little bit below 1.1, then we went up, I think we came to 1.06. now we are bouncing. If the market is good, then we will go even higher, then we can hit around 1.3 and 1.6, 1.9 and so on. On the other hand, if the market is bad, or if there is any kind of share offering, then look at these lines here, right? The first one is around 90 cents, and why this is important, because previously it was a resistance, right? So it was a resistance, then we broke through the resistance, we went up, but we initially for back-to-back 2 days, that was the support, and when we had a massive correction, I think 1 or 2 weeks before, we bounced off that particular line. You can see the long wick. Now if any kind of bad news or overall bad red market, this thing can come to 0.9, so it's a possibility. And the other line I want to draw here, I want to go a little bit down here around this area, 0.7. You can see that the body of the candle and the wick, 5 days, same area, and so many touching point here, and also 1 point here. So if it comes down maybe around 0.9 or around 0.7, you can grab more share. I think the share price will not go below 0.7, so it is always good to set some limit buy order to grab more share around 0.9 or 0.7. And definitely with this new government, all the cannabis sectors, they will go. This is this week, next week, or after a few months, but definitely they will all go up. So if you can grab some share below $1, then you can always ride the wave up to 1.6, $2, or who knows, like even $4 or $5. We reached around $4 at one time, if not 4, whatever, like 2.5. So it's a big opportunity to gain some profit. So the whole purpose of this video is to share the New York news and also the shelf offering, because maybe you have missed the news. So if it comes down, what are the price point, we can grab more share, and if the market is good, then definitely we will ride the wave. So anyway, my friends, if you find this information I presented to you is useful and a good information to you, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I need your help to grow my channel. So you guys have been helping me a lot, and I want to grow even further, and I want to be a better trader, investor, and also a YouTuber. So thank you, my friends, for watching this particular video. Have a wonderful evening. Take care and peace.